Hey YouTube, in this video I will be showing you how to make a Sampan Boat. I think that's how you pronounce it. Oh, just my camera. Okay. Um, First thing you will be needing is a piece of paper, and this is probably optional. So first thing you need to do is just fold to one side. That's weird how I said it. And yeah, in this one, neatness does count. And the last part is pretty hard. What you'll be needing to do is cutting off this excess rectangle pieces of, well, piece of paper. Whoops, it dropped. Now that you have this, just maybe, Dad, could you pass me the pencil? Right there. Okay. This, yeah, sorry about that. You need to mark the middle of your paper. In this case, it is probably around here. Between those lines, I don't know if you can see them, right between those lines. Then you want to fold in between those, or possibly on them. Just take two corners and just no more. Okay. Now it just looks like a different kind of shape, but you should have these two flags. Unfold them. Okay. And then take, just forget. Take a corner and fold it where there's a crease, the closest crease, and again fold it to the middle. Same for the other side. And just fold it all up. Oh, and I believe we're not supposed to. I don't care. Okay, I might mess up on this. Oh no, never mind. Don't do what I just did. I messed. Okay. Now, what you want to do for this side is do the same thing as you did on the opposite side. So, and these corners, I don't know if you can see it, but it's too bright. These corners where these triangles are, they shouldn't appear on this side. If they do, then you probably overfolded. And do that. And it should just be a perfect corner. And then you, yeah, basically do this and this. Okay, now you just should have a big square. You want to take this sort of shape and fold it down on itself. What I mean by that is fold it until, well, you can no more pour until where it hits this. So what I mean is folds, like halfway at least. Like where I folded, it stops on this corner. Like that. Okay. Do the same for the other side. And what the heck is that? Now that I have a box with triangular corners that are open, well, that can be open, you fold. I didn't even know what I'm doing here. Oh, you fold each triangle to the middle on all four sides. So, yeah. Oops. Now you should have a small diamond-ish shape. And then you want to take those triangles and align this edge with the middle, all four sides again, or just maybe leave a little space until it hits the middle. So yeah. The next step to come is pretty hard. Okay. And just one more. They might unfold a bit if you need to. Okay. Now it just should look like a diamond. Okay. This step is pretty hard. The first time I made it, I messed up. Okay, what you want to do is open this whole module up and then push back on this edges. Oh, geez. Okay, it might mess up, and I would not like it that much. Okay, I'm just a bit nervous about this. I think you folded it back. Okay, you open it up, and you just fold it inside. Oh my god! And I just ripped it. And I just spent a bit of hard work. Well, okay. What I just found out right now, it's easier to fold one side on each other. And wow, I can't believe I did it. Okay. Well, yeah, you get the point. It's supposed to be longer. But no, I just had to mess up. Why? Well, you get the basic shape of it, and yes, it actually does float for a certain amount of time. Well, for a certain time. And, yeah, that's basically it. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and bye YouTube.